To make money, you can consider options like becoming an online tutor, selling photos online, creating and selling online courses, managing social media for businesses, taking online surveys, starting a dropshipping business, becoming a virtual assistant, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, starting a blog, or selling secondhand items you own. All images, videos, short videos, books news, web more tools, AI overview. Learn more to make money. You can consider options like becoming an online tutor, selling photos online, creating and selling online courses, managing social media for businesses, taking online surveys, starting a dropshipping business, becoming a virtual assistant, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, starting a blog, or selling secondhand items you own. Key ideas to generate income. Utilize your skills. If you're good at writing, teach online. If you're tech savvy, offer virtual assistant services. If you're creative, sell your artwork or photography online. Online platforms. Leverage platforms like Udemy, Etsy, Upwork, or social media to sell your skills or products. Freelance work. Offer freelance services like writing, graphic design, web development, or consulting. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to earn money through advertising or affiliate marketing. Selling goods. Sell items you no longer use, create and sell handmade products, or start a dropshipping business. Passive income. Generate passive income by selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos. Specific ways to make money. Online tutoring. Teach subjects you are proficient in to students online. Affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' products on your website or social media and earn commission for each sale. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for businesses or influencers. Online surveys. Take surveys on various topics to earn small amounts of money. Virtual assistant work. Provide administrative support to clients remotely. Print on demand. Design products and sell them through a print-on-demand service without needing to hold inventory. Become an influencer. Build a following on social media and partner with brands to promote products. Sell stock photos. Sell your photographs on stock photo websites. Create online courses. Develop and sell courses based on your expertise. Rent out a spare room. Earn income by listing a spare room on a rental platform